Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so yeah. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, kung may tanong, pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, yes, don't forget to follow Perception of Light. Okay? And, yeah, sa mga nagtatanong po, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, yan, physical, spiritual, yan. Okay, so, si Kuya Dingsi. Yan, okay. So, message nyo lang si Kuya Dingsi sa kanya pong FB page. Ito yung kanyang FB page. And yeah, don't forget to follow rin. Okay, so yeah, thank you. And, syempre, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye item, so ito yung isa nating, ang tawag dyan, design, no, ng ating evil eye bracelet. So, ito yung garterized. Okay? So, ganyan siya. This is unisex, by the way. Okay? So, ito yung isa natin. Ito yung unang-una. Okay? Unang-una pa sa una. Oo, first pa sa first. Okay. So, yeah, ito yung all-in-one evil eye bracelet. This is adjustable. Okay, adjustable siya. Yan, ang tagal na nito kung araw-araw kayong nanonood, kita nyo naman, lagi kong suot to. No? So, available siya in red and black strings. Ito po yung may initial. Meron niyang 5 colors ng evil eye. So, may kanya-kanyang role sa pagpaprotect sa inyo. Okay? Ganun po. Ha? So, katulad nito, this is unisex rin. Pang babae, pang lalaki. Kung ano man ang gender mo. Okay? So, pasensya na po ha sa nagpupukpok dyan sa paligid-ligid. Oo, hindi natin yan control. Okay. So, ito naman ang ating evil eye necklace. Okay? So, yan siya. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and may extender. Okay? So, yes. Kung gusto nyong gamitan ng ibang chain, pwede naman. Yeah. Okay? And ang ating evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable siya. Okay? And, yeah, kung inyong ipangre-regalo, ibibigay sa iba, kailangan po naming malaman yung name ng pagbibigyan. Okay? Pero kung, excuse me, kung inyo, ganun rin, kailangan rin namin ng full name nyo. Okay? So, there. Yes, yes, yo. Okay, so, yeah, message lang po ha, kung may mga iba pang tanong na hindi ko nasagot. Okay. So, diretso tayo sa reading. Air signs. Excuse me. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron? Anong meron for you? Okay. Late na tayo, no, na nakapag-reading. Yes. Okay. So, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron? Anong mensahe? Okay. The moon in reversed. Okay. What's that? The chariot. Pwedeng meron ditong water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ang pwedeng lalaylo. Okay? Lumalayo. Or pwedeng may lalayo nga. No? Na magdudulot ng sadness. Okay? Yeah. May paglayo, may pag-alis, may pag-aksyon. Okay? Tingnan natin. Why the moon in reversed? Oh, the 7 of Cups. Some of them, open yung option. Okay? Or sabihin nating busy. In general, marami lang talagang inaasikaso. Kung specific, some of them, their option is open. Like, yeah, hindi ka makakuha ng focus sa kanila. Okay? So, yeah. What else? For air signs. Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Messages, please. Okay, the world in reversed. Okay, what's that? The world in reversed. The Five of Wands in reverse. Pasensya na po ha. Kaya hindi ako makapag-reading din kanina. So, wala tayong magagawa. Hinintay ko pa yan. Okay? Hinintay ko pa silang matapos pero hindi pa rin natapos. Okay. So, the world in reverse, the Five of Wands in reversed. So, meron ditong parang hindi masesettle. Yeah, some of you, legal issue. Yeah. Ten of Coins. Something issue. Pwedeng sa pera, family, na hindi ma-fix. Okay, anong meron sa world in reversed? The Six of Wands in reverse. Meron kasi ditong pagalingan. Oo, merong may chance na iyahalin, parang ikukumpara. May pagkukumpara akong nakikita rito. Fire sign. Yeah, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay? Pwedeng sa workplace, pwedeng sa tawag dyan, kamag-anak, mga ganyan. Okay? So, sinasabi rito, the Five of Wands in reverse, na i-avoid. Avoid it. Okay? Wag na lang kayong papatrigger. Okay. So, what else? Air sign. Knight of Cups. Meron din ditong sinasabi, air sign ha, na meron ka ditong kailangang layuan na pwedeng alam mo naman kung bakit. Okay? Some of them, they're giving you confusion. Okay? Mixed signals. Yeah, you need to, distance yourself from them. No? Kailangan yung layuan to. Yes. Okay? Excuse me. Knight of Cups. Ano tong Knight of Cups? The Nine of Coins. Some of you, there's an offer. Okay? Iba sa inyo may nagkakagusto. May na-attract. Yes. May na-attract. Okay? Someone is sabihin nating attracted talaga sa'yo. What's this Knight of Cups? Anong meron? The Star in reversed. Pero ang nakukuha ko sa taong yun is hindi ganon ka-solid or kaganda yung intention Okay? Yeah, the devil is here. Some of them, they're like physically attracted lang sa'yo. Ganyan. Okay? Pero, yeah, the intention is not clear. The intention is not good. No, for some of you. Okay? Nine of Coins. Yeah, the Knight of Coins in reversed. Kailangan yung maging guarded ha pagdating dito sa taong to. Okay? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius is here. Water sign, andyan rin. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng sa workplace to, a boss, or someone who is managing something. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Next is fire signs. Okay. So, yeah. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ano bang meron? Okay. Anong meron for you? Fire signs. Fire signs. Okay. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Okay. What's with that? The Moon. Merong naiinggit. Fire sign. Ha? Pwedeng Pisces. Pwedeng tinalikuran mo to or hindi mo masyadong pinagpapapansin. Nabibitter tong mga to. Okay? Yeah. The Seven of Swords. Nandyan yung parang may tinatago silang something na hindi maganda pagdating sa'yo. Inggit, galit, whatsoever na hindi magandang energy. Because some of you, pwedeng hindi mo siya pinagpapansin or talagang hindi lang kayo nagbibigay ng energy sa kanya. Yeah. Okay? So, let's see what's with this Queen of Wands in reverse. Some of them, napaka low-key. Low-key na parang nagagalit sa'yo. Yes, may chance na pinaplastic ka. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Wands in reverse. Tinalikuran mo tong taong to. Yeah. Okay? So, what else? Fire signs. Okay. Ating, yeah. Okay. Fire signs. Two of Cups in reversed. Ayoko mo na magsalita dahil masyadong malawak. Anong meron? Okay, the Page of Coins. The King of Cups in reversed. The Eight of Cups. Meron ditong parang gustong magpahabol na water sign and earth sign. Okay? Some of them, talagang nilalaro ka lang. Like, some of them kasi is emotionally immature. Okay? So, may paglalaro ako nakakuha dito, coming from them, na paglalaro nga, no? Gusto nila na habulin mo sila. Lalo na sa pakikipag-communicate. Like, gusto ng mga to na ikaw yung una lagi na mag-i-initiate lahat-lahat. Okay, as simple as good morning, like that. Hindi ito magme-message sa'yo hanggat hindi ka nagme-message, like that. Okay? Ano tong Two of Cups in reverse? Pwede pong water sign, ha? Yeah, the Ten of Cups. Okay, I think sa ginagawa nila is nakakaramdam sila ng worth, ng value. Okay, so some of you, you're feeling their ego. Mga ganyan. Okay, yeah, the Six of Coins. Huwag mo nang pagpatuloy kung ano man to. Okay, kung meron kang something na parang hinahabol na energy, lalo na nga pagdating sa pakikipag-connect, wag na. Oo, lalo na kung water sign to. Okay? So, yeah. Iba sa inyo, ex mo to. Oo. May chance na gino-ghost ka niya. Hindi ka niya kino-contact talaga. Like, no contact. Tapos yung iba sa inyo, parang sobrang eager, no, na makausap sila. Well, nasisiyahan sila sa ginagawa nyo. Yes. Okay. What else? Fire signs. Five of Cups in reversed. What's with the Five of Cups in reversed? Temperance. Meron ditong Sagittarius or yeah, another Sagittarius maybe ang gustong makipag-ayos sa'yo. Okay? Or some of you may chance na makakausad-usad na yan in the near future. What's with this Temperance in reversed? Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo kailangan pong madaliin, ha? Yung pag-move on. Hindi po, race ang pag-move on. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. Moving on. Something like that. Something like, gagawa ng paraan para maibsan. Hindi naman masama yun, pero, yeah, hindi sinasabing madaliin. Hindi sinasabing gawan mo ng paraan para sabihin nating makausad ka, pero ang nakukuha ko is something like temporary, no, na solusyon para maka-move on. Well, yung mga ganyan like bypass, no, nagbibigay talaga ng temporary results. Okay? Not permanent. Okay? So, some of you, there's a water sign na pwedeng gusto na rin na move on from you. Okay? Some of them, they're stuck pagdating sa'yo actually. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Coins. Some of them, pwedeng sabihin nating focusing pagdating sa stability nila, sa work nila, like that. Okay? Para ma-divert yung energy. Pero, yeah, hindi naman masama yon kung ganun nga. Okay? Pero the Nine of Coins, ang energy rin nito is something like, parang ang tawag dyan, parang pang-attract. Okay, gagawa ko ng paraan para maka-attract ako. Parang ganyan. So, it's not good. Okay? Yes, gagawa ng paraan para maka-attract, magpapaganda ako, magpapapogi ako, whatsoever. Kasi gusto ko nang meron akong kakonect. Meron akong something na pwedeng maging dahilan para maka-move on. Mga ganon. Temporary lang. Oo, ang nakakuha kong energy pagdating sa result. Okay? So, there. Next is water signs. Okay? So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong messages for you? Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron? Pasensya na po ha. Oo, hindi natin mapipigil yung pagpupukpok doon sa kabilang bahay. Oo. Gusto nila yun eh. No, oo. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, the Knight of Coins. Okay, so parang sinasabihan niyo iba sa inyo na kailangan magtipid-tipid, no? Oo, like tawag diyan sa kaperahan po, no? Oo. This is pera, the coins. Oo. It's like parang kailangan mo nang i-manage ng mabuti kaperahan. Bakit? Why the Knight of Coins? The Page of Wands. I don't know. Some of you may chance kasi na pwedeng may sisimulan. Okay, para ma-invest ninyo ng tama yung pera if ever like that. Yeah, strength. Okay, yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Energy na parang cycle, like paulit-ulit. So, kailangan yung makaalis doon para, yeah. Some of you, by saving or by cutting or pagkakaroon ng limit, no, pagdating sa paggastos. Yun ang isang way para makaalis ka sa cycle na meron. Kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo sabihin nating magastos. Okay? Or gastos ng gastos kahit hindi naman kailangan. Okay? So, yeah. Some of you, there's a sabihin nating new connection coming in na may chance na pwedeng maging slow burner. Itong connection na to, like, mag-start kayo as friends, matagal na panahon, parang ganyan. Eventually, yeah, may chance na magkaroon ng long term. Mga ganyan. Okay? Slow burner connection. Coming, yeah. Okay, what else for water signs? Okay, 7 of Wands in reversed. 7 of Wands in reversed. The 4 of Cups. Okay, mayroon nang mag-express ng kanilang emosyon for you, water signs. Some of them pwedeng fire sign with water. Okay, this is like unexpected. Yeah, the 9 of Coins. Unexpected. Some of you may chance na makatanggap ng energy pagdating sa progress, improvement. Okay? Ano tong 7 of Wands in reverse? This is blockage, pero mawawala. Okay? 7 of Wands in reverse, please. Yeah, the 7 of Swords. So, some of you, if you're manifesting something, you need to protect your energy. Yeah. Kasi you're too open. If you're manifesting, your energy is open. So, you need to protect your energy. Hindi mo alam kung anong papasok. Hindi mo alam kung anong darating. Yeah. Hindi yung, kunyari, magmamanifest tayo ng something, tapos yung ginugusto ninyo, yun yung i-expect ninyo, hindi ganon. Okay? Some of you, hindi nyo nga alam na nakakapag-manifest kayo. So, every time, we need to protect our energy. Yeah. Lalo na nga, no, yung mga vulnerable dito, like empath. Okay? I don't know why. Yeah, strength in reverse, medyo weak, no? Yung frequency or yung vibration, energy ng iba sa inyo. So, kailangan nyo talagang protektahan. Okay? So, if ever na may mag-manifest, nandyan yung mga magsasabi ng, ay, dapat ganito, ay, dapat ganyan. Pangungunahan ka pa. So, di ba? Sira ang energy mo pag ganyan. Kailangan yung protektahan. Okay. So, some of you may nagtitingin-tingin dito kung natanggal nyo na daw siya sa pagbablock. Okay, kung na-unblock nyo na daw. Some of them, they're stalking you. Want to stalk you. Some of them. Okay? So, what else? The Knight of Swords reversed. Okay. Huwag daw masyadong magmadali. Hindi kailangan magmadali. Ano tong Knight of Swords reverse? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. If this is talking about healing, hindi nga kailangan madaliin. Okay? Yeah. Someone will, sabihin nating darating. Yes. Someone younger. Pero, kailangan mo mag-heal bago to dumating. Kasi some of them, they're not serious. Okay? So, if you're healed, kaya mong protektahan yung sarili mo, yung emosyon mo from them, if ever. Okay? Pasensya na po, ha? Sa ingay. Okay. Queen of Cups. Let's see what's with this Queen of Cups. Yeah, the Fool. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Again, the Wheel of Fortune, nasa ilalim. Okay, so I think, just go with the flow. Kung anong meron. Yeah, hindi yung ilalabanan mo yung current or parang magmamadali ka. Avoid nyo. Okay? Yeah. So, okay. Next is okay, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Excuse me. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anong message for you? Messages, please, for Earth signs. Hang on. Okay. So, Earth signs. The Three of Swords in reversed. What's with that? The Knight, I don't know. The Ten of Wands in reversed. Someone wants to express their emotion. Some of you may mga nagkakagusto. May mga nagkaka-crush. Okay? Merong mga gustong mag-open up. Para maibsan naman daw or malighten up, no? Yung kanilang load na sinasabi. Okay? Ano to? Ano tong Three of Swords in reversed? Yeah, see? Again, the Page of Cups. Someone is may crush sa'yo. Yeah. Okay. Some of you, kung may mga kailangan patawarin, patawarin na daw. Yes. Kahit hindi nyo na makuha yung pagsasabi nila ng I'm sorry, please forgive me, mga ganyan. Yeah. You don't need to wait pa, no? Pagdating sa mga ganyan. Okay. The Hermit in reversed. What's with the Hermit in reversed? Oops. Hermit. Virgo energy. The Two of Cups. Pero bakit to nalulungkot? Some of you talagang may na-attract kayo, ha? Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, ang tawag dyan, may dumarating na connection pero hindi nyo alam na mali na pala yung ruta na dinadaanan. Okay? Akala nyo, eto na, akala nyo, yan na, pero it's not. There's a connection na pwedeng, nandyan na pwedeng mag-lead, no, sa sadness, parang ganyan. Hindi nyo alam, like, yeah, para kayong nangangapa. Okay? So, let's see, the Hermit, please, in reversed. It's like wala kayong ilaw sa dinaraanan. Oo. Tapos gabi. Parang ganun pagdating sa connection na to. Okay? The Five of Cups in reversed. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. See? Mm. I don't know. Kasi iba sa inyo, may chance na napapasaya kayo eh. Ng kung sino man ito na nag-offer sa inyo or wanting na magkaroon ng connection with you. Ano ba tong Two of Cups? Yeah, see? Napapasaya kayo. The Ten of Cups. Okay. This person is someone who is a businessman, a businesswoman, like that. May pera. Pero their intention is not good. Okay? May pagmamanipula dito. May pagmamanipula. Okay? The King of Wands in reverse. This person is someone na talagang a sweet talker. Okay? Oo, mga ganyan. So, pwedeng madala ka sa kung ano man. Yes, masayang kausap to. Parang ganun. Pero, yeah, I'm not seeing this person na pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng something like good connection or relationship. Hindi ko nakikita yon. Okay? Yeah. They just want something. Maybe. What else for Earth signs? Okay, Six of Wands. You're getting a lot of attention in the near future. Six of Wands, please. The Knight of Cups in reverse. Okay. The World. Oh, this is something na pwedeng may malaking pagbabago na mangyayari. The Knight of Cups, what's this? Knight of Cups in reversed. The Moon in reverse. Okay. Sumilip, ang favorite nyong card. The Ten of Coins in reverse. Pasensya na po ha, medyo madilim. Hindi pala medyo, madilim talaga. Okay. May makakapagpagawa ng bahay oh. Iba sa inyo. Makakapagpagawa ng bahay. May mga bibilihin like something, sabihin nating malaking investment. Okay? Yeah. Ay, ang ganda. So, some of you, a lot of attention ibibigay sa inyo in the near future. May mga taong makikipag-connect sa inyo. Pisces, water sign, fire sign is there. Okay? Pero, let's see. Ano tong Six of Wands? Iba sa inyo, talagang sabihin nating madalas ang paglabas, pag-alis. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Ooh. I'm seeing here travel. Okay, while you're traveling, some of you, may chance na may magkaroon ng bagong connect. Yeah. A connection. Yes. I'm seeing here 5, 5, 5. Tatlong 5. This is changes. Okay, in general, this is changes. 5 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands. Okay? Some of you, pagbabago pagdating sa pera, sa status. In general. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for for you. All signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!